Indian Army has developed an AI-based chatbot to address the growing threat of online honey trapping, which operates on WhatsApp and engages in simulated conversations with soldiers mimicking various scenarios. U.S. Air Force MQ-9 Reaper drone, which was on air support mission to defeat ISIS, was reportedly downed in northern Iraq. An Iran-backed group, the Islamic Resistance in Iraq, has claimed responsibility for the shooting, saying they have used SAM to bring down the Reaper. The drone crashed near the Balad Air Base and was recovered by the Iraqi security forces.
Russia is reportedly set to enhance the firepower of its large landing ships by arming them with Orlan and ZALA drones. The advanced capabilities of these drones include integrated air navigation systems, automatic data interpretation, and onboard laser target designation.
The U.S. Air Force RC-135W Rivet Joint Spy plane conducted a surveillance flight over South Korea to monitor North Korea's activities following its claim of testing an underwater nuclear attack drone. Rivet Joint aircraft serves as a highly capable signals intelligence platform. It specializes in collecting communication emissions and gathering information about air defense radars and other signal emitters, as well as pinpointing their locations.